Okay, we've let our 3 centerpieces dry, set up real good overnight. I've also added an 1 5/8 inch screw here and here. That just helps keep it so it won't split on you later on. So the next thing we want to do is we marked right side down here, left side down here, because we've got to cut this piece off. So we're going to take this right side, because we marked these right and left also, and put this where it goes, and we'll draw a line here. This is where we want to cut this off. Always mark your pieces, what you need, because these will go on here once you cut this off. And then this back piece will be able to come on and off if you have to get inside the head to make any kind of repairs. So we'll do this, we'll get this cut off, then I'm going to take my belt sander and I'm going to kind of sand this down a little bit before we put these pieces on. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Any questions or comments, put them in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.